Hi everybody, I'm back for another video, and you'll see I have a blue envelope, and it is from Miss Jennifer Harvey at Chic Sparrow. So let's cut right into the envelope and let's see what we have. I ordered this a while ago, and I actually didn't expect it to come soon. It was a pre-order, and there we go. Got everything out of the pouch. And it arrived when I was on vacation. So it sat at the post office for an extra week. So, like usual, there's that beautiful blue paper and that wonderful print that they use with all the leather tools and the coffee cup. And we have one of the 5th anniversary cards with a little information. Let's see. And there's some information regarding the care and what type of leather it is. Did I get a sticker? Maybe not. Oh, I did. Let's see which one it is. Whoop. Can't get it to come out. Look, it's the cute little squirrel. Cute little squirrel. Okay, so we got that. And this is one of the newer leathers. It is from the Tea House collection, and it is the beautiful Earl Grey. Oh, wow. Let me smell it. Ooh, I like. So you can see it has stitching, and you can see it has a pen loop, but you also probably notice it's a pretty small size. Well, I went with a passport with the secretarial pockets, and this is the first I've seen this leather. It's such a beautiful leather. And here's the embossing where it says Chic Sparrow. One thing I did notice was this right here. The stitching looks a little... Oh, I see. There we go. But it is a passport, and look how thin that leather is. Wow. So this is supposed to be similar to the Mr. Darcy in the toffee. The only Darcy in the toffee I have is a nano. I had a passport and something else, but a friend wanted them, so I sent it their way. So you can see them. This is a very well used and loved nano. And this is the beautiful Earl Grey. So it is passport. Everyone knows my love for the small sizes. The passport. I've been using this. It is, when this goes up the 10th of July, I've been using this. This is my Chic Sparrow. Sorry, this is my Foxy Fix number 0 in the micro, which you can see is quite a bit smaller when you compare it to the passport, and only a little bit larger when you compare it to the nano. But it is quite chunky, and one thing I loved about it is it has this deep pocket, so you can store cash. And when we were traveling the last while, it was a wonderful travel companion. But let's see. I have a number 1 Foxy Fix in the exact same leather as my number 0 or micro. And let's take some of these things out. I've got a few inserts and a zipper pouch and some Midori writing boards. So let's see. So here is my 2019 calendar, and I haven't used Passport much this year. I have been in the personal size for most of the year. Here's my newest personal. I transferred everything over at the end of June and then put it away because it's One Book July, and this is my one book that I'm using for my pseudo bullet journal, pseudo planner, pseudo journal. But let's set this up for how I might use it when One Book July is over. So I'm going to put my monthly calendar in here, and I will, in here, back plan, I will update what happened in July, just so that way I have it current in the the 3 sizes I've used this year, just so I have it current. So you can see this is a thin leather. Wow, I think it's one of the thinnest leathers from Chic Sparrow. It's probably about the thickness of my Nightingale that I have. So there's that. Then, this is an old Cocoa Daisy insert. Oh, this is a Peaky Dory design insert, our monthly calendar from this year. We're on a little bit of a hiatus, but we'll be back in the fall. So there's a Cocoa Daisy insert. Let's let's use this one. It looks like the holes might be a little tight. I don't need this folder with the pen loop because I've got a pen loop here. Here is a dot grid. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is switch these around. Let's put the dot grid here. Let's put that there. And then I do have a roof zipper pouch in the, I think it's the olive green color. There we go. And I don't think these will fit. No, that's a little tight, but let's put it here in the back. So, there we are. That is a quick little look at my, I want to see about the pen loop. Let's see about the pen loop. This was what I traveled with. I have a video coming up about the items I took when I was traveling, my journal items and art supplies, and this Delphonics utility pouch was one of the things I carried with, or took with me on the travel. So, and you can see it's it's a very generous pen loop. This is a relatively thin pen. This one from Coeco is a relatively thick pen when you compare it in diameter to my Tool pen. But see, look at that. That actually fits really nicely too. But here's the Tool pen, and you can put it on there however you want to. I'm actually going to take the pen off. Wow, that's such a beautiful, beautiful notebook. You can smell the dye. It kind of reminds me of the smell of my when I first got my burgundy Mr. Darcy. So it does remind me of that smell. I'm not sure what it is. It's very, very, very pretty. So what I will do is I will link down below. I will link Chic Sparrow so you can take a look at what they have to offer in the new tea house collection. So they offered a yellow, which is called chamomile. This is the Earl Grey because it's the color of a cup of Earl Grey tea. And they have a green coming, which is going to be called matcha. So if you have any questions, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Oop, was I off the screen most of the time? There we are. Bye-bye.